Hey guys, so I'm back from washing the clothes, and it was like this older guy talking to me. I don't know. I was like about to walk out, and he just had a whole conversation. He gave me his business card. His wife was there. She was like checking the clothes, trying to make sure, like, hey, you finna fold these clothes with me. And then there was a baby in there, and this lady, yeah, with her baby. And the baby was like all in the way, and I was like, it's time to go. Anywho, it is Sunday. I am going to have lunch with one of my friends. Well, she's in church, so after she's done with that, I'm gonna meet her and go have lunch. And the lady and Courtney got the same jacket. That is crazy. Just because I bought her jacket from the thrift store. Hey y'all, I am back in my house, aka the camping grounds. And if you can see back there, all my laundry on the floor that I have to fold. I was like, I'm gonna take a nap, but then I was like, dang, it's gonna be hard for me to fall asleep tonight. So I'm gonna try to just push through and like no, stay up because I'm gonna get itis. I know I have itis because I ate, and that's why I want to go to sleep. And every time I watch like videos on YouTube, I be about to fall asleep. I'm really excited about our new house because I really just want to decorate and paint and do all that kind of stuff. And nobody knows about the new house but y'all that's watching. Nobody really knows. Like, people know we're moving. That's it. And my family, my closest friends. That's it. And I'm kind of like thinking maybe I should let the kids like sort the clothes. At least put like one for KJ, one for Cass, like a pile for each person, so that I won't have to do everything. And I just fold it. Like, you just sorted the underwears with the socks, and because I always gotta have to figure out that part, but it'll be easier that way. And one of the kids are supposed to put the boxes I showed y'all yesterday. This need to put those in the car, and somebody needs to scoop Kendall's poop. But that's the only three things as far as chores. And they get paid for their chores, so it's not like they're doing it for free. Now, this time around, they won't be getting paid that much because we're going to be traveling. We're going to be in hotels, and they're not going to be cleaning nothing. So, yeah, we probably won't even be cleaning up, to be honest, other than Kendall's poop. So somebody gonna have to take turns. We're gonna have to scoop Kendall's poop, take turns, feed her, make sure she eat. But that they should do that for free because they don't want to ask for a cat. I didn't ask for no cat. It's supposed to be an emotional support animal. So yeah, their dad's coming back, so I don't even know if they necessarily need an emotional support animal. But he'll be transitioning back from single soldier to husband, so husband, father, family man. So this, I'm gonna show y'all this. I get this from Costco, like a big giant case of these, and I drink these down. I love how they taste, but I drink these because you can see my skin, like I don't have breakouts because I choked these down. And I need to go to Costco because their gas is cheap over there. Like, the gas on the base is cheaper than gas outside of the base, but the gas, like, Safeway, they have this program, but it's like a give or take. Sometimes it won't give you the price. They'll give you like the regular price of gas. So it's like, I don't want to waste my time. Well, Costco, I'm guaranteed the cheap gas, so I'm going to Costco. Okay, so this is Cassidy's room. Well, her old room. And she shared the room with the cat. And I need to look at Kendall better. Kendall. And yeah, I need to sweep this. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks after. Okay, this is what I got so far. I'm gonna do like a better sweeping and stuff. I still gotta get this spot out. It's gonna drive me crazy. They probably won't say nothing. They probably, I don't know. But yeah, and KJ is driving me crazy, so I gotta deal with him and see what he wants, and then maybe tomorrow I'm gonna try to do another clean. Hey, Kendall. Oh. All right, y'all. So I am on my way to the commissary to get some stuff for the kids. I smell something. I don't know, somebody barbecuing or burning one of those little, you know, the things where you put the firewood. Anyways, I am going to the commissary to get some snacks and go back to my friend's house to watch Ratchet TV. And she says she's gonna make tacos and fries. That's a very interesting combination, but I am not complaining because she provides the food and TV, and I provide the snacks and the company. Miami friends, this is how cold it is. 39. Yes, I want to cry right now. Okay, commissary. Go to Costco and get gas. Oh my god, I just been busy. You know what I'm saying? Drop it. Like let's get this popping. Get the people to come. I'm put them to work. Take the girls out. All right, y'all. So I couldn't show you all of the ratchetness because I ain't trying to get my video flagged. But this is the end of day 5. Tomorrow I gotta do a lot of stuff. I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna try. I'm gonna still get on here. I'm probably gonna be to the point where I'm so used to getting on here. When I'm not on here, I'm gonna feel weird. So yeah, I'm on my way home. My kids know to do their chores and turn in their devices by 8 o'clock. But I do let them know that, oh, mommy's on her way home. So you better get your ish together. But yeah, they pretty good. So yeah. Y'all, when I tell you my belly is stuffed, I don't need to even look in the direction of the kitchen. I should just turn my head while I'm walking up the stairs. Like, cause that's how full I am. Like, it's ridiculous. I probably won't even eat tomorrow. I'll probably just drink some water. Cause I need to detox all of it. But I had a great weekend, and I will see you guys tomorrow.